Let me show you how easy it is to embed a MindStudio agent into a publishing platform, a web page, such as Wix or WordPress. I'm going to show you how to do that in Wix today. And what we're going to do is we're going to embed this agent. This agent, actually developed by MindStudio CEO Dmitry Shapiro. What this does is that a person enters their name, their position, and their company URL, and then it will provide them a sales pitch on how MindStudio will be useful for their role. And we'll see how that works in a moment. So before I go into this demo, I should tell you that in the individual plan for new MindStudio accounts, there is unlimited embedding of your agents. So this is a great way if you have a business to share your agents with external users, or if you're developing your MindStudio portfolio, this is a great way to demo your work. So let me show you how this works. First, we come over here to the name of the agent, the root, or I could click the name here, and then go to embedding, and then you would need to enable guest access. So notice, and this would be the case by default. But notice here that I have all of these different guests here. These are previous users that have come to visit this agent via embedding when this agent is live on that website. And you could now manage these users. You could delete them. You can view them. So let me, for now, we're just going to leave this alone. Let me click on guest embedding, and then you'll see this iframe. This iframe is HTML code that displays within a container how the AI agent will display on your web page. And by default, you'll see that it has a width of 750 pixels by 500 pixels. And we can adjust this once we're in the platform, in Wix platform. So I'm going to copy this, publish this. So what we are looking at now is an empty Wix web page, and we're going to embed our MindStudio agent into this embed HTML, and it's very easy to do. Come over here to add elements, look for embed code, and then select embed HTML. And if you're wondering, how do I remember how to do this? You don't need to remember how to do this. It is in MindStudio University documentation, and you can go reference it there. Now we're going to paste this iframe code. And we could hit update right now, but first I'm going to adjust the width a little bit, and as well as the height. And then I will click update. And now we see how I can adjust this. And here we see a user interface. This is our MindStudio agent. This is the MindStudio user interface I designed for Dimitri's agent, so that it can display really well in an embedding. And this looks pretty good. You could preview this. And this looks great. So now I can either go back to editor and continue revising the size of this iframe, but I'm going to publish this. And then I can view the site. Now we're going to demo this agent that is embedded into Wix. I've already added information for a user. This is a person named Robert who works at Jerome's Furniture, and he is the Director of Sales Enablement Operational Efficiency. And now we'll see what kind of pitch how he can most benefit using MindStudio in his work. You'll see that it is using the minimal notification method or style. Notice how there is just this little notification card, instead of seeing a preview of the workflow or the swarm, which is the little dots moving around. It is using the name of the block to show which block is running right now. And now we see, here's this output. This is a generate asset block that I've designed a custom user interface. And you could use your own company logo, branding, what have you, and display this in an embedded iframe for anyone to be able to use. This is a great way, like I said, to promote your business, promote your portfolio using MindStudio agents, and what have you. So this is a great way to use any agent. And like I said, this is unlimited agents on the individual plan for new accounts. So I hope that you found this video helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching.